Oh, dookies, let me just get comfy. Andy Lip here. How are we doing? So, you guys have obviously heard OBS is absolute fire right now. Version 27's coming out, and you guys are all dropping the comments in the video of the features that come in. That link is down below. And you're all getting excited, and you're all like, oh my days, I need to leave Streamlabs OBS in the dust and all that jazz. And I'm feeling you. But people were just like, what do I do about my scenes? I've got my absolute fire scenes over there. They look amazing, and just what do? I want to undo, but I don't want to lose everything. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how you can move across to OBS Studio without having any problems. Hopefully, touch wood. In theory, maybe. I don't know. Technology end of day, but I'm going to show you how to get all your stuff over to OBS Studio, all right? Put your rock over the stone. Let's go. Right, so in this tutorial, I'm not going to show you how to install OBS and all that jazz. Hopefully, you guys know how to do it. Just go to OBS website, download it, all done. Super simple to do. I'm just going to be showing you how to move your scenes and your scene collections across from Streamlabs to OBS. There's a lot of benefits of doing this as well, which I kind of touch on in every single one of my videos, so make sure you are subscribed and check through them. But here we are in Streamlabs. This is just been installed on my computer, so I've only got this one scene collection for it, which is a default one. It's borderline red yellow by Nerd or Die. Absolutely love Nerd or Die stuff. It's some good overlay packages. So as you can see, we've got all the different scenes just here. We've got Be Right Back, we've got ending, intermission, in-game scene, all that jazz just here. We don't actually need to do anything in Streamlabs for OBS to pick it up. So all we need to do is jump into OBS. So we're just going to open that up into OBS Studio. Beautiful. You won't be greeted with anything like that, which is probably great. And we're going to go up to scene collection in the top left and go to import, and you'll see borderline red yellow by Nerd or Die is automatically picked up. If it's not, then you can just follow this file path by pressing these three ellipses just here. Well, it's just one ellipsis, I know what I'm saying. The three dots. We go to this file path just here into the AppData, and then Roman SLOBS client, and you'll be able to see the scene collections that you've got all in there. And it'll even detect the application and tell you where it's from, because there are other supported applications that we can import from as well. So we're just going to tick this box on the left hand side to say that that's the one that we want to import, and then just press import, and it won't even show a loading bar or anything like that. It'll just be like, and then that's it, it's done. So if we go into scene collection in the top left again, we'll see borderline red yellow by Nerd or Die has appeared. So we'll open that up, and that's it. We are all in. If we see welcome screen, there we go. Looks exactly the same. All the animations are working. Stream starting in OBS. Stream starting. You probably see this text here is not actually showing in OBS. So this text right here. So you can still edit it. So as you've got all your editable content blocks on this package, we go to social media. We just double click into social. We can press select font, and then just press OK, and it will appear there. It's just sometimes it might bug out a little bit. The quicker way of doing it is just clicking and then pressing select font, and then press OK, clicking it, select font, press OK, and that all now appears as normal just here. And obviously you can edit them to be whatever, so even though you're not in Streamlabs OBS, you can still edit all your overlays super easy as well, which is really nice. So the beautiful thing as well, it also pulls across your scene transitions, everything like that. Basically anything to do with your scene collection in Streamlabs OBS will be ported across here. Like I say, you are going to enjoy being in OBS Studio, because it will mean that you can use any plugins which you can get from the OBS website. There's absolutely tons. I've got all the different videos on them, so get them installed, get them tried out. Don't worry about using third-party plugins, because for them to be on this website, they all get checked and everything like that. They don't contain viruses or anything like that. And if you don't like it, you can always check out my video on how to uninstall plugins and everything like that. So it just makes it a bit more customizable for you, and allows you to take your content to the next level and use different things like Leorum board as well, which I totally love, and you'll see a lot of the projects, and a lot of you guys have been asking, oh, does this work for Streamlabs? No, it doesn't, because Streamlabs don't give you that functionality to be able to do things like that. But with OBS being open broadcasting software, you can do anything. It's open source. It's awesome. But that's pretty much everything. It's super easy to do. It's all out of your hands. It's all automated. If you got any issues, please let us know in the comments and stuff like that, and I'll try and get back to you. I do reply to every single comment. Hopefully I'll get back to you with the answer. If not, I'll just be like, sorry mate, GG. Yeah, but I'll do my best, okay? So thank you very much for watching this video. Like, comment, all that sort of stuff if I have helped you out. Also, consider joining the channel memberships or Patreon to help support the content so I can keep firing out videos for you. It takes up a lot of my time, and I really want to help you guys out as much as I can. All right, guys? So put your rock over the stone. I'll see you in the next one. Much love. I just want to say a huge thanks to all my patrons that help make this content full-time, make it free for you guys, and also a huge thanks to all my YouTube members. You guys are legends. Thank you so much for everything that you do for me and the community. Keep it up, guys.